Welcome to your online classes. Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to enjoy a beautiful poem from your English literature book, Treasures of English, under title The Letter. The Letter is a beautiful poem composed by Margaret G. Rhodes. She was the first cousin of Queen Elizabeth. She has written many poems. In this poem, the poet is writing a letter to her mother. Here, the poet wants to discuss the important things that we should keep in our mind before writing a letter to our near and dear ones. Well, dear students, in this poem, the poet also stated how she was writing a letter. At first, she mentioned the date clearly and address on the letter. She began the letter with dearest mother and wrote slowly because she wanted to write it neatly. And after writing the letter, she blotted it carefully. Let us start this beautiful poem. The letter. I am writing a letter to send by the post. It is to the person I care for the most. Well, dear students, in the first stanza of this poem, the poet wants to say that she is writing a letter to her mother, whom she cares a lot. She wants to send the letter by the post. The word post means it is an official system used for sending and delivering letters. Let us discuss second stanza of this poem. I write the date clearly and put the address and begin, dearest mummy. Did anyone guess? Well, dear students, in this stanza, the poet wants to say that she mentions the date and address clearly on the letter, and she begins the letter with the words dearest mummy. What does poet wants to say that? Here poet wants to say that I start the letter first. I mention the date and address clearly on the letter, and I started the letter with the words dearest mommy or dearest mother. My pen travels slowly all down the sheet because I am so anxious to keep it all neat. The word anxious means worried or nervous. Well, dear students, in this the third stanza of this poem, the poet is telling that she writes slowly on the long sheet because she wants to write it clearly and neatly. Let us discuss fourth stanza of this beautiful poem. I carefully blot it to dry up the ink. Such nice blotting paper, the color is pink. Dear students, in the fourth stanza, the poet wants to say that she writes slowly and after writing the letter, she blots it carefully and absorbs the extra ink with the help of the pink blotting paper. Now, dear students, what is the meaning of blotting paper? Blotting paper, it's a kind of soft thick paper that is used for drying ink after one has written something on a piece of paper. Why the poet wants to use blotting paper? So that the letter she has written looks neat. And what is the color of the blotting paper? The color of the blotting paper is pink. The poet wants to say that after writing the letter, I will use the blotting paper to absorb the extra ink with the help of this pink blotting paper so that the written letter looks neat. Let us discuss fifth stanza of this beautiful poem. I turn the page over and on goes my pen. Till lastly, come kisses, there is just room for 10. Well, dear students, in this stanza, the poet tells us that she writes the letter neatly and carefully, and she turns the pages and put 10 kisses at last for her dearest mother. Let us enjoy last stanza of the beautiful poem composed by Margaret G. Rhodes. The envelope is ready. I put the stamp on. What is the meaning of envelope? Dear students, an envelope is a flat paper container used for sending letters. Now poet is saying that and run to the post box and now it has gone. Here, dear students, the poet is saying that now her envelope is ready. She puts the stamp on the envelope. She runs towards the post box and the letter has gone towards its destination. Well, dear students, today we have enjoyed a beautiful poem composed by Margaret G. Rhodes under title The Letter. I hope this poem is clear to everyone. Let us answer the following questions. First question is, who is the poet writing a letter to? Yes, dear students, now it is your turn to scratch your brain and give the answer of these questions. Yes, well done. The poet is writing a letter to her mother. Next question, what is the official service for delivering a letter? Yes, well done. The answer is post. Post is the official system used for sending and delivering a letter. Why is the poet so anxious? The poet is so anxious because she wants to write the letter beautifully in a neat and clean handwriting. Next question, what is the blotting paper? What is the blotting paper? Yes, dear students, answer this question. Well done. Blotting paper is a soft, thick paper which is used to absorb excess amount of liquid or ink from the paper. Why the poet wants to use blotting paper? Because she wants to write the work or write the letter in a beautiful writing. She wants that the work looks neat. Next question, what is the color of the blotting paper? Yes, the color of the blotting paper was pink. Well, dear students, today we have enjoyed a beautiful poem, The Letter, composed by Margaret G. Rhodes from your English literature book. I hope this poem is clear to everyone. We will meet in our next class. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day. Thank you.